월월 시작 순간에 맞춰 반짝거리는 네 eyes on me 겁은 나도 가고 있어 keep eyes on you 두근거림은 멈추지 않았어 조금 힘들기도 하지만 yeah yeah
Welcome back to another video. Today will be like pretty much a compilation or like what I've done, a little vlog on what I've done in Manila, including the concert. So you see a lot of concert clips. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I can't wait to see many of you guys there in Manila. Right now it's about 11 AM, playing some games, but I might take a little nap before I have to go out. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later, yeah? Right now, a great morning, but I did end up sleeping for a lot longer than I wanted to, but it's okay. Headed to the airport now, and yeah, I'll catch you guys there. I think I couldn't check in online because it said I had to check in. Well, it doesn't have the option for me, so that means I have to get there and check in. So hopefully everything goes smoothly. I'll catch you guys at the airport, okay? The airport, and now I'm going to check in. So I'll catch you guys when I have my boarding pass. I managed to get my boarding pass, and now I'm lining up, but the line's insane. I don't think I should record it, but I'm telling you, it's insane. The line to go in to the gates, it was all the way to where I had to check in, and I'm at the very end of the airport, but it's okay. I think the flight's about 9 hours. It's a really long one, but good thing I barely slept. That means I'm gonna pass out, and then yeah, I'm just gonna sleep. If I get hungry, maybe I'll get food, but probably get dinner there, because I don't know how long it'll take to get to the hotel, but we'll see. I'll catch you guys when I land, I guess. Update, I am now landed and I'm waiting for, looking for a ride on Grab. Finally checked in. I see my room. Ooh, it's nice and cozy, oh my god. Look at it. Cozy little room. That is sick. Yo, let's check the view real quick. And look down there. It's the arena, I believe. Ooh. Got recognized by someone called Rosie, so shout out to you. And thank God they have water. They have filtered water outside, and they have a gym too. Also, let me show you the car guy here too. And then you got TV, of course. Nice mirror. There's a sink here, and then there's toilet and a shower. It's hella nice, cozy room. It's about to, I'm just charging my stuff up, and then I'm about to have some dinner with a few of you guys, 4 of them, and also Mickey. You guys know who the Mickey is? Another fellow Australian. I'll be having some dinner with him, so I'll catch you guys there. I'm here with Mickey. My God, Mickey. Yeah. We're here to look for the posters.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Oi, oi, oi. Hey, Aussie brother. Oh, of course. Yo, Jail. Hello. Oh my God, this is so cool. My gosh. Mickey, he's got a nice big sandwich. Yeah, and a nice little chicken burger here. That looks insane. Before I sleep, good night everyone. Oh damn, I didn't realize so many of you guys would be around. I saw so many of you guys. You guys were literally yelling across the road. Like what? So I hope you guys enjoyed the photo. I need to think of better posters because some of those pictures, I don't think I look good. But hopefully I look better tomorrow. Otherwise, catch you guys later. I had some good food with Vicky and some other people. And yeah, I hope to see plenty of you guys tomorrow. I know a lot of this one is my face, but tomorrow is the day where we'll get more. Heard I'm gonna be going to a lot of cafes, and yeah, concert day tomorrow already. Excited. Hey everyone, at the gym right now, but do some chest day. It's so nice. You guys have like towels here. It's so nice, everything here. But yeah, gonna get a quick workout in. Okay. Look at him. He's enjoying his time, bro. Gosh, so many people came up to us. How do you feel, Mickey? Are you happy?
I'm so happy, but I'm also so sweaty.
It's okay, but we're having a lot of fun. I'm so happy to see so many of you guys. It actually means a lot. Thank you guys so much. So many, are we? There's so many people here, bro. At the Breeze Buddy, I'm getting a light fruity, oh no, honey peach. And there's a lot of people.
Oh, we've got a Filipino snack.
Filipino snack.
Do you want to try it?
I do.
Shirley, 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 Shirley.
Wow, look at everyone. Stadium now, show you guys. Actually not bad, we're quite close. I'm very happy with that. I cannot wait to see the sound check and then yeah, let's go to our hall. Oh my god, that is insane. We're starting now. Look, right, he's so muscular. Holy crap. Oh, he's so handsome.
So kahit may mga taong nasa likod, nakikita namin kayo sa mga street. We can see all of you guys. Guys, alam niyo naman po yung wave, di ba? Oh, okay. So, parang napansin ko rin ko parang meron ko parang color pink ngayon. Parang... Okay. Wow! Parang mo ba parang...
Damn! Look at him there. Holy! Oh, banger!
So, kikita-kita pa naman po tayo mamaya. 지금까지 아우였습니다. 이따 만나요. 이따 만나요. Enjoy. Be back in later.
That's insane!
Okay, thank you, thank you.
It's insane.
Okay, please.
Holy crap.
네, 첫 번째 팬콘 원데뷔 드디어 시작했습니다. Our first ever FanCon has finally started.
Let's go!
So 재밌었어요. meron din daw tao sa likod.
Oh my god, look at him! Oh my god! He's too good at this.
네, 여러분 기분이 어때요? 반갑고 기분이 어때요? Everyone, how are you feeling today?
Yay!
Yes, but to be honest, even I think all the members just like got the 네, 그럼 인사하겠습니다. 둘, 셋. 마노! We are 마노! 저 오늘 예뻐요?
예뻐! 너무 예뻐!
예뻐요?
예뻐!
다시 한번 예뻐요? 감사합니다. 네. 우리 또 예뻐요. maganda? Hello, I'm Papa.
제가 꼭 와보고 싶었던 필리핀에 드디어 여러분을 만나러 와서 너무 행복한데요.
Finally, I'm here in the Philippines, place na matagal ko na gustong puntahan.
오늘 우리 다 같이 행복한 추억 만들고 돌아가고 싶습니다. 재밌게 놀아봐요.
At sobrang saya na nakilala ko kayo today. So let's make a happy memory together. Tara, mag-enjoy tayo lahat.
안녕하세요. 후덕입니다.
Alam niyo, kahit nag-debut lang kami very recently, standing on this big stage is really like sobrang unreal.
이제 이 모든 게 다 여러분 덕분이라고 말씀드리고 싶습니다.
Gusto ko lang talaga sabihin, it's all thanks to you, our fans.
이제 저희 팬텀에 이렇게 함께 해주셔서 너무너무 감사드리고
At
여러분
maraming salamat po, of course, para sa pagdalo ng aming first fan.
여러분이 어떤 걸 생각하시든 그 이상까지 보여드리도록 하겠습니다.
At kahit pa paano, yung ina-expect ko ninyo, hihigin pa namin patutulungan at ibubuhos na lahat.
JL, namin. Finally, we're here na po together as AHO. And ganito na po ka-warm yung pag-welcome sa amin. Kaya maraming salamat po. At ipapangako po namin na hindi ako iiyak. Pangako po namin na palagi po namin i-give back sa inyo yung mga love na binibigay mo sa amin. Stop! Hindi nga ako iiyak. Hindi nga ako iiyak. Okay. Ano ba? May namin lang!
Great things from JO and from my friends that had a concert in the Philippines. I heard that the energy is amazing and it will probably be one of the best countries to perform in. And I think it's true so far. So yes, I'm so excited to finally meet you all. Are you ready to have some fun today? Yes! Are you sure? Shining visual AHO 주연.
사실 이렇게 한무대가 처음이라서 이제 오디션까지 많이 열렸었는데
To be honest, sobrang kabado ako bago umakit sa stage kaso first time ko sa ganitong malaking stage.
이렇게 팬분들이 이야기하고 해주는 거 들으니까 정말 힘이 많이 나는데
Pero nung nakita ko na sobrang supportive and cheerful kayo, nawala yung kabado.
저희 많은 무대들 올라오는데 기대해 주시고
So please enjoy the rest of the show with us.
I'm so happy to meet you guys. Welcome to our first one, FanCon! Yes, I heard that you guys are so amazing and have a good energy. I think my energy is full. Let's make it like 1,000%. Let's make a wonderful memories together. Thank you.
Kamusta po? Ang stage niya?
마닐라에 사시는 분뿐만 아니라 많은 지역에서 와주셨을 거라고 생각해요.
I'm sure marami sa inyo nag-travel from other places, hindi lang from Manila.
저희 보러 와주셔서 너무너무 감사드립니다.
Thank you so much for coming all the way here.
2025년이 끝났을 때 오늘 8월 31일이 저희와 여러분의 가장 행복한 추억이 될 수 있도록 한번 신나게 놀아봐요.
I hope that when 2025 ends, August 30 today will remain as our happiest moment with you. So let's enjoy this day together. Mahal namin kayo. Love you.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
도착했을 때부터 이렇게 많은 팬분들 와주셔서 정말 뭔가 큰 광호를 주셔서 너무 정말 감사합니다.
So, since the moment we landed at the airport, sobrang daming fans ang nag-greet sa amin.
오늘도 함께 같이 있을 수 있어서 정말 행복합니다. 오늘도 즐겨주세요.
Seeing this venue full and hear your cheers talaga, sana sobrang salamat po talaga sa inyo. Sana mag-enjoy po tayong lahat.
Does everyone know what the title for today's FanCon is? Alright then, let's enjoy. You guys are amazing.
Rendezvous. 저희 아홉의 데뷔 타이틀곡 제목이기도 하죠.
So Rendezvous, that's also the English title of Owl's debut track, tama?
란데뷰라는 이름으로 준비한 아홉의 첫 팬콘 어떤 곡으로 채워졌을지 모두 궁금하죠?
So, and now with the same name, ito na ang first ever phantom ng Owls, tama? Curious ba kayo kung ano yung mga stages ang inihanda namin?
그러면 제일 형 어떤 곡으로 이루어져 있는지 한번 힌트 주세요.
So Kuya GL, can you give them a little bit?
No, but if gusto niyo po ba ng hint? Hint po na yun? Hint? Gusto niyo ba ng hint? Do you want hint? Sobrang dami po eh. There's a lot, but from first stage, like a little. 자, 보여드리고 있습니다. lahat po ipapakita namin today. 네, 그리고 저희는 이렇게 한 유니버스 리그 무대부터
And of course, kasama rin naman ang stage ng Universe League that made us who we are, plus our newest track from the Half album.
아주 다양하고 풍성한 걸 준비했으니까요. 기대 많이 해주시면 감사하겠습니다.
So sobrang dami at iba-ibang inihanda namin, so please look forward to it.
그리고 끝이 아니고
Yeah, boys! Yeah! Let's go! Chasing down
Whoa!
101.
Oh my God! No way!
Next is JL.
SVIP 103 sa letra roll number 10 set number 2 Okay.
Wala ba?
Isa? Alam mo! Congratulations po!
Sino yung bumunot? Siya yung magiging partner niyo. Next, our leader needs Steven.
Next lucky person is SVIP 101. Row 6, seat 13.
Seat 13.
Hey!
Meron ba?
Get up! Get up!
Saan ang
Pikachu,
seat?
get up!
Please,
Get up! Get up! Get up the stage! Woo! Yeah! Let's go!
Next is Kuan.
Row 15,
Row 15.
seat 18.
Hey! Who's that? Get up! Get up!
Congratulations po!
Okay, don't forget to bring your phones up on stage, ha? Next is si Uki!
Yeah!
Uki's pick is SVIP 103, row 9, seat 16.
Oh
Meron ba?
my gosh! Get up! Get up! Get in there! Get in there!
16?
When I give the signal,
Oi!
you will shout out your chosen number at the same time.
Let's go! Come on, you got this!
Same time.
You got this!
If the number match, the fan wins!
Yay!
And if
Get
they
this!
don't match, unfortunately, it's okay. But again,
You got this! Lock in! Lock in!
Alright? So I'll count 1 to 3. After 3, you say the number. Okay? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Get it! Let's get it!
1, 2, 3! 9! Ang bilis na na! Oh my God! So, do you have your phone with you? Yes. So as a prize, you can now take a picture with your
Yeah, let's go! Let's go!
ate! Wala
Oh
ka!
my God! That's it! Look at that! Let's go!
Thank you so much.
Congratulations! Let's go!
Balance game, but it's still an intuition test. So, here's how it works. I will present 2 options. Okay? First, the AHO member will secretly choose one in his mind. Then the fan will try to guess which option the member chose. When I say 1, 2, 3, both you will say the word. So the words will be flashed on screen. There. So the first word is sea versus mountain. So you'll choose between whether it's the sea or the mountain. Or cat versus puppy. Or hero versus wolf. Pag nakuha mo agad to ng una pa ng gold, sell ka agad na. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Parang kinakabahan. Parang kinakabahan. Sorry, I forgot to ask for your name. What's your name?
Yeah, let's go!
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go!
So you'll choose between sea or mountain. Okay?
Okay.
Pwede kayo magbulungan para magawa nyo na agad. Alright, let's go! 1, 2, 3!
Hey, let's go!
Okay!
Yeah!
Please bring up your phone.
Yeah! Take your photo!
That's your prize for guessing it
Let's
correctly.
go! Yeah, let's go!
Yeah, congratulations!
Let's go!
Now we're on the third, who will be partnered with this, or do this, or do this, whichever. At pag nagtulad kayo, you'll get a picture with it. Cool? Cool? Alright. After 3, then you do the heart shape. Parang taba, diba? Alright, let's start. 1, 2, 3!
Hey, let's go!
Now the next lucky fan that will be paired to our shining star.
Yeah! Down! Oh my gosh!
Oh, hindi ba? Nasa akin pala yun. So, your game will be match the same fruit. So you can just check the fruits on the screen. It's still another intuition test. Pwede naman kayo magbulungan kung gusto nyo. Alright, so you can just choose between apple, grape, watermelon, strawberry, or banana. Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh my God!
Let's go!
Ang bilis! You can now take a picture. Alam mo siya.
Woo! Let's go! Hey! Let's go! Let's go! You got this!
This time, you will be choosing, or your game will be matched the same season. So there are only 4 options. 25% nakukuha agad. Well, either spring, summer, autumn, or winter. Okay? Are you guys ready? After 3, guys. Okay, after 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3! Oh, summer! Wala pa nagkakamali sa kanila. Yes, and you can now take picture with Steven.
Let's go! Alright, let's get it! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
Man straight out of coming. Cheers! Oh! So guys, your game will be match the same drink. So you'll just choose whether it's coffee, juice, carbonated, or water. O diba? Ganito kami kabait. Lahat mananalo. Are you guys ready? Cool. 1, 2, 3. Water.
Hey, stay hydrated!
Healthy choice. You can now take your Selka.
Hey, let's go! Woo! Let's go!
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
It's so hard.
Oh, it's so hard! It's so hard now!
How could you match?
But anyway, let's just count 1, 2, 3. After 3, okay? After 3. 1, 2, 3!
Morning person.
One more. You can now take a picture with Wookie. Ang suswerte. Ang suswerte nila. Your game will be match the same weather. Diba ang dadali? So you just need to pick the same weather for you to win. So the choices are sunny, rain, cloudy, or blind.
Blind?
Blind means rainbow, by the way.
What's blind, guys?
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Alright, they're ready. 3, 2, 1! Rain! Kasi nga medyo mga maulan ngayon. You can now take your picture.
Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah, let's go!
Congratulations! And the last lucky fan to be partnered with the adorable youngest member, Daisuke. Your game ice cream flavor.
Ice cream flavor.
4 options: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or mint. Medyo nag-uusap-usap na sila dito. Oh. Ay! Grabing interaction yan. Are you guys ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3! Okay! Please take a picture with Daisuke. Alam sa swerte nila.
Hey, let's get it!
Congratulations! Alright, okay, mag-alala dahil may next game pa tayo later.
Yeah? What is essential is invisible to us.
No way!
세상에서 가장 어려운 네 맘을 없는 네가 날 기르고 길들이며 우리 서로 떨어질 수 없을까 둘도 없는 친구가 될 수 있었을까 바람 같은 마음을 내게 하는 건 어렵다는 걸 나도 알면서 말하지 않고 널 기다려 어린 왕자가 내게 말했어 사랑의 사람
Yo, team inside. Yo, too good. Let's go.
Let's see Gawon para kay Hanya Team! So, listen carefully guys ha. Panalo na kayo. Nakikita na kayo dito. Ay! And, secret! Number 1. Ahok debuted in 2024.
Wait, what is the answer?
X or 0? Yeah, pila. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you're correct. Okay, pasok. Again, guys, after this one, we'll be eliminating 10 fans. Huh?
10?
So yung 10 lucky fans will proceed to the next round of the game. Second question, sige dyan na kayo sa stage. Ahok stands for All-Time Hall of Famer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Naku, parang nananalo itong mga to agad eh. Correct!
Hey!
Bilisan na natin para may ma-eliminate na agad, no? Third question, Ahok's first win was on the show.
Oh.
Tricky question.
What was it on?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kokopyahan sila, oh.
Hey!
Correct! Ay, alam niyo rin naman pala. Eto. On August 21, 2025, Ahok received the K-Star Dream Male Super Rookie Award. Is that statement correct or wrong? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay! Ay! Natatanggal kayo! 3, 2, 1. Ay, wala na. Hala ka. Yeah, it's very tricky question. Wala nang mananalo sana. Next question. Ahok was formed on January 25th. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo, nameless din ako, kaya hayaan ko itong mga to dito. Next one. Ahok is composed of 3 Koreans, 1 Australian, 1 Chinese, 1 Taiwanese, 1 Filipino, and 1 Japanese.
Oh, come on, get it right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sorry guys. Pwede na kayo lumabas sa stage. Next one, the age difference between Steven and Daisuke is 8 years. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct. 9 years. 9 years. Pero wala sa na-eliminate dito. There are 200, dito meron na pala magkakatanong. There are 229 videos uploaded on Ahok's official YouTube channel. There are 229 videos uploaded on Ahok's official YouTube channel. Pwede kayo maghati kasi mananalo yung kalaki, wala. But I'm giving you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tama, nakaswerte sila doon ha. And last one is Ahok's first song is Rendezvous, was released on August 1, 2025. X or circle? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tama! So all of them will proceed to the next. For the next one. Okay. So,
어색하게 걷는 인사 눈치가 보이고 고민했어 웃어도 여전히 출발선 그 꼬리 아직은 좀 서툴대 이미 동갑인 듯 말없네 아무 생각도 못하는 나를 지치고 있겠지 내 상상 속에 우린 함께
Do you guys want to give another hint?
Yes.
두 번째 힌트는 저희 아홉 노래가 아닙니다.
Actually, ang second hint, hindi kanta ng Aho.
그리고 이제 세 번째 힌트는요. 이 무대를 준비하면서 제이한테 도움을 받았습니다.
Yung sa pangatlong hint naman, habang pinaghahanda namin ito, sobrang tinulungan kami ni JL.
네 번째 힌트. 이 노래를 듣자마자 아마 모두가 같이 따라 부를 수 있습니다.
Ang fourth hint, pag narinig niyo po ito, mapapasing along talaga lahat.
어떤 무대일지 궁금하시죠?
Curious ba kayo kung anong stage ito?
그럼 가볼까요?
Then, tara!
Yeah, we gonna go.
통과하는 좋아. 그래도 많아.
Kung wala daw po kayong jowa, pwede daw po ba siya na?
Kamusta po? Ako ang kapitan ng Ahok. Kapitan Esteban Panchikaponggen. Totoo ba? Buki ako?
Ako po buki at maganda sa ahok. Hindi maganda. Am I maganda? Am I buki or maganda?
Yes, you are!
Okay. I remember. Ang maganda.
Sa totoo lang po, hindi ako masaya today. Charot lang po! I'm so happy!
Let's go!
Okay. Ako po ang baby ng Ahok. Pero pumili rin baby nyo.
다시 돌아오지 않잖아요.
You know, this precious time we're sharing won't come back again, right?
So, we need to do our best to have a great time. Right?
네, 이번 무대는 아주 파워풀하고 에너지 넘치는 무대들로 준비했습니다.
Actually, yung next stage natin will be full of powerful and energetic performances.
저의 첫 시작을 생각하면서 준비한 무대예요.
And actually, it's a stage we prepared while thinking about our first start together.
멤버들, 무대 찢을 준비됐죠?
Mga members, ready na ba kayong sirain ang stage?
Handa na po ba kayo? Okay. Pero, before, parang, I want to try, alam niyo ba yung wave?
좋아.
Yeah, ginawa po namin siya kanina. During the sound check, we already practiced it, but we want to do it with everyone. Is that okay po? Oh, okay. So, let's start from left, up to right, left, hanggang sa right po, okay? Okay, pag sinabi po namin start, makinig po, okay? Show a demo? Oh, I think, demo, practice.
Okay, the members will show you how it's done. From left to right. 3, 2, 1.
카메라인 거.
Alright, 다시.
Let's get go.
하나, 둘, 셋.
이렇게.
Okay. So, let's get. 하죠.
Are you ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
짠!
들려 멜로디 running the sun like
팬분들을 생각하면 다시 일어날 용기와 힘이 생기더라고요. 오래는 했지만 잘 받아. 나무스의 역시 그리고 that must be cherished and protected without naming a single one.
보자마자 뭐 진짜 울었습니다.
Grabe, sobrang unexpected talaga itong video na ito. Nung nakita ko pa lang yung video na ito, naiyak na talaga ako.
역시 지금까지 뭔가 데뷔부터 지금까지도 솔직히 너무 기억되는 뭔가 기억 남는 뭔가 추억이 많이 있으니까 진짜 기쁘고 뭔가 예를 들어서 뭐 데뷔하는 것도 정말 기쁘고 이렇게 뭔가 팬 콘서트 하는 것도 기쁘고 뭔가 음악 방송 1위도 너무 기쁘고 너무 지금까지도 진짜 많은 예쁜 추억이 많이 있어서 뭔가 제 인생을 이렇게 해주시는 진짜 팬분들한테 감사를 하고 싶습니다. 진짜 감사합니다. 정말 감사합니다.
So, before I imagine how it feels na talagang magkaroon ng ganitong own concert, grabe, ang bilis talaga ng sobrang di ba? Yung debut namin, sobrang ikli, pero ang bilis talaga yung katulad ng first place na music show, yung concert, meeting fans, lahat, sobrang salamat talaga, sobrang salamat sa inyong lahat.
사실 안 올 줄 알았는데
At first, talaga hindi ako iiyak.
여러분들이 준비해 주신 영상 보니까 너무 고마워요.
Nakita ko talaga yung video. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo lahat.
지금처럼 평생 여러분들 위해서 노래할 거니까 함께 끝까지 영원히 우리 함께 해줘요.
Talagang sobrang maraming salamat talaga sa inyo lahat. Papakita ko talaga yung lahat ng kakayahan ko. Kaya nga hanggang sa muli, please supportan niyo po kami lahat.
사랑해.
I love you. So cute.
이렇게 저희 데뷔한 지 이제 2달도 채 되지 않았는데
Actually, kaming Aho, wala pang 2 months na nag-debut kami.
이렇게 많은 사랑을 받을 수 있다는 게 너무너무 감사하고
At saka napaka-thankful talaga na kahit sa sobrang ikling panahon, ang dami talagang namin nare-receive na love galing sa inyo.
어제 자기 전에 잠시만 뭐 잘자 하고 불 끄고 핸드폰을 봤는데
Actually, kahapon, bago matulog, sinabi ko kay Shuaibo, good night, tapos nag-check ako ng cellphone ko.
8년 전 오늘이에요 하면서 처음으로 연습실에 출근한 날 사진이 있더라고요.
Talagang nag-alarm sa akin, today is the final zone. Tsaka talagang na-recall sa akin, ang dami talaga.
그래서 이렇게 많은 분들과 우리 팀으로 공연을 하는 게 너무 큰 꿈이었는데 8년 걸렸구나 생각이 들었어요.
Actually, talagang nakita ko na it's been 8 years na talagang makakapag-perform na pala ako sa mga fans. Ganito na talaga.
오늘 저희 아홉에게 너무 큰 원동력과 힘이 되주셔서 너무너무 감사드리고
Talagang it's a big unity kasama kayong lahat na talaga kaming mga Aho, mapapakita namin sa inyo na talaga we will do our best.
이제 아홉과 여러분들의 우리 함께하는 이야기가 이제 시작이잖아요.
Kasi nga di ba everyone, alam niyo naman na ito pa lang yung pagsisimula natin. Tama ba?
그러니까 so let's make more precious, lovely, wonderful memories together.
팀 같은 형들도 많았는데요.
Actually, talagang medyo nag-doubt talaga ako na deserve ko ba talaga ng ma-receive ng ganito from everyone.
하지만 앞으로도 이제 여러분이 사랑해주신 만큼 항상 최선을 다해서 좋은 모습만 보여드리도록 할 테니까 많이 지켜봐 주시고.
So please, always stay with us na dahil talagang yung love ninyo, binibigay nyo sa amin lahat, I will do my best na papakita ko sa inyo lahat.
Actually, I even thought that I would cry. Very happy to be here with you guys. I think today will be the best moments of my life. So, I will always do my best to show you who am I and who I am to say. Yeah. I love you.
Thank you for such a wonderful video that you prepared. When it first started, I was just like, oh no, it's going to be such a hard time trying not to cry. And it just really touched my heart because just our whole, ever since we debuted and even before we debuted, we had packed schedules and it was really busy. And I think we didn't have enough time to take in those memories and just enjoy the moment. So seeing the video and just reminding ourselves of the achievements and all the memories that we made together was so wonderful. And I thank you for reminding us why we are why we're doing this job. Also, the Philippines just packed with so much energy. It just feels like a second home. Even though it's our first time, it meant so much, and I think it will be a memory that I won't forget. So please keep on supporting us, and we love you.
Yeah, Steven!
Just like what Steven Yeun said, these past few months ever since we debuted, even though even before we debuted, we always want to show you guys our like perfect performance, our good selves only, to the point that we also forgot to tell ourselves that we're doing a great job. And to be honest, I'm really excited to perform here in my country, but it's also a pressure for me because to be honest, I've tried to be strong, but sometimes, mahirap po. But seeing how much you guys prepare, like seeing you guys work hard more than us, like wala po akong reason para hindi mag-work hard pa po. Thank you so much for giving us a memory na never namin mapa-forget. And thank you for giving us a home, a hope, and a place that we can rest. And I hope that ganun din po kayo. And also, there's a lot of like fans who came here from other countries as well. So, 멀리서도 응원하러 와주시는 팬분들 너무너무 감사하고
Maraming salamat kahit nasa malayo. Yung pagdating po ninyo talaga, sobrang salamat po. I love you all.
Salamat po. Mahal po namin kayo.
일단은 저희가 처음에 정류장에 들어왔을 때 공연장이 저기 위까지 반짝반짝 빛이 나서 약간 별자리를 보는 건가거든요.
Actually, nung pagdating namin dito sa Coliseum, nung tinignan namin, grabe, hanggang sa pinakadulo, parang mga stars na nakikita namin.
여러분들이 저희한테는 별 같은 존재니까 항상 응원해주셔서 너무너무 감사드리고 저희 아홉 예쁘게 지켜봐 주시면 감사하겠습니다.
Kaya nga, iniisip ko po lagi, each of you mga fans, iniisip namin na para kayong mga stars sa amin. Kaya nga, please support us until the end. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po.
되게 한쪽만 프로 연습에 대해서 울 일이 없을 줄 알았어요.
Kala ko nung una, after ng Universally, iniisip ko na, sa tingin ko hindi na ako iiyak ata.
데뷔를 하고 나니까 울음이 더 많아진 것 같아요.
Pero, natawa lang ako sa sarili ko. After ko mag-debut, ang dami ko palang iyakin pala talaga.
어제부터 너무 설레서 잠이 안 오더라고요. 어쨌든 이제 저희만 보고 싶어서 와주신 이 많은 분들이 이렇게 오신다는 게 너무 믿기지가 않고 너무 긴장돼서 잠도 제대로 못 자고 왔는데
Actually, since yesterday night, namin sobrang excited na talaga ako. Pero, syempre nga iniisip ko itong FanCon for today, kaya hindi maayos ang pagkatulog ko.
근데 오늘은 제 인생에서 절대 잊지 못할 기억이 될 것 같습니다. 여러분 너무너무 감사하고 오늘 콘서트를 계기로 여러분을 더 사랑하게 된 것 같아요. 오늘 와주셔서 너무 감사합니다.
Pero inisip ko po na itong FanCon na ito, it's gonna be one of my memorable days talaga. Kaya salamat sa lahat na talagang punta dito and maraming salamat po sa inyo.
내가 이렇게 많은 사람들 바꿔도 될까?
Actually, nung nagpo-perform ako dito, ang dami talagang ang dami talagang umikot sa ulo ko na, deserve ko ba to? Maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat.
앞으로 투자에서 여러분에게 더욱
At maraming salamat sa inyo na dahil sa inyo ang way namin ay always gonna be bright. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
그러면 이제 저희 첫 콘서트를 진행하면서 팬분들과 함께 사진을 한번 찍어보는 게 어떨까요?
Since it's our first FanCon in the Philippines, syempre, how about taking a photo together to remember?
저랑 저희 사진 찍기 전에 휴지로 조금 닦고
So bago mag-picture, medyo
I've been joking. My two favorites, Steven and JL, legit were like, I know you. JL legit said, I love your reaction. Oh my god, I actually can. Oh my god, bro, what? I'm actually mind blown, guys. Oh my god. What? Oh, I loved it. You guys had so much energy. Actually insane. I loved it. I loved the concert so much. Yo, I'm here at Masam? Was it called Masam? Oh, sorry, Manam. I ordered sisig, and I also got chicken inasal skewer. I'll try right now. Still waiting for sisig, but I'll try that inasal. So good. Sisig, oh my gosh. Trying the first sisig. Yo. Why is there so much flavor? Yo, wait. Yo, you guys are doing something right. Oh my gosh, that's some good ass. Yo. 100 out of 10. I'm gonna finish the food. You guys. Really good food, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I didn't get to eat yesterday, so I'm gonna eat a lot. Look, I accidentally ordered a medium rice. A bit too much, but I'll finish it all. I'm very hungry. I had a really nice, pretty much last day here. Tomorrow I am only here for a little bit before I have to fly back a long journey, because it'll be from, well, I have to get to the airport at like by 4:30. And then the flight's at about 7:30, and then I'll get back in Australia by midday. Honestly, I really want to cry right now. I'm so sad that my stay was so short. I honestly wish I could relive the moments. Honestly, the moments were so amazing. Seeing you guys all outside, being able to be in the concert with you all, seeing the crowd. Yeah, it's really made me feel like I'm at another home. You know, you guys were very welcoming, and I really appreciate you all so much for that. And I would not trade anything to, like, this is an experience that I would have never thought I'd have, and definitely would want to experience it again. So hopefully in the future, I will hopefully be able to come back and see you all again, and see some familiar faces, see some new ones if you guys didn't get to see me this year. But yeah, honestly, I don't know. I'm so sad I have to go already. I wish I could. Well, I'm not too sure what else there was to do, but I do wish it felt slower, you know. And although that day did feel very long and stuff, you know, it's all over now. But anyways, catch you guys when I'm on my way home, I think. But yeah, today I had some, as you guys saw the previous clip, I had some sisig and chicken inasal. And then I went to watch a movie, Omniscient Reader. I think it's a Korean webtoon. Had An Hyo-seop, very handsome guy. And then I had some Jollibee at the end of the night, some karaoke. And yeah, but I hope you guys had really a lot of fun at the concert as well. I don't know if you guys saw in the clips before, but me and Mickey were there in the little Zoom call. And oh man, I honestly wish, like, I don't know. I hope you guys had fun in this fan sign, yeah? I think I asked on Twitter just today. Today is the Sunday, but I did ask on Twitter how it went. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Do let me know how it was, because I unfortunately didn't manage to get a ticket, but hopefully next time I'll be able to go to the fan sign. And yeah, otherwise I just checked into I just did the check-in online, so I have to get my boarding pass at the airport. So I have to leave here about 3:30 to beat the traffic, because otherwise that traffic's gonna be so long. It's like 2 hours back, right? Oh no, I can't even leave at 3. I have to leave. How long was it? 89 minutes. But I need to get there 2 hours before my flight. Oh my gosh, I'll have to figure out when to actually leave. But yes, had lots of fun, and I'll be sure to be back. Alright, I love you all. Stay shining, stay bright. Okay, and I guess next few ones probably gonna be me on my way back, seeing if I do anything else, and then me landing him safely. Okay, love you all. Thank you guys so much. Mahal ko kayo. Goodbye everyone. Salamat po. I don't remember if I recorded this, but there's a cool ass like SB19 kind of stand here. Look. This is that cool as hell. Holy, that's kind of aura, bro. Kind of aura farming me right now. Me and SB19, guys. Ho ho ho. Hi everyone, I am right now at the airport. You see it's so hot, there's no aircon here, but thank you to the fan who gave me this. I'm finally using it, because it is getting very hot here, but I still gotta wait an hour more till I check in and get my boarding passes. Yeah, I came here about like 5 hours early. Usually it's supposed to be 3 hours, but I was scared of the traffic, and I thought my trip was like an hour and a half drive for the Grab, but it ended up being 40 minutes, or even less than that actually, 30 minutes. So I got here way too quickly. Now I have to just sit down, sitting here just waiting. So yeah, keep you guys updated. When I'm home, I'll make sure to do a haul and another recap, I guess. We'll see. But I hope you guys did enjoy. Yeah, I think I screamed a lot in the recordings. I know you guys probably didn't see my face a lot, because I wanted to make sure I recorded the boys for you guys too, so you guys could feel like you guys were watching it with me, or watching the concert as well. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. It's gonna be pretty much just the concert, pretty much, man. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. I love you, JL. Everyone, I am now boarding. I have a layover. Oh yeah, I think I already said this. I have a layover in Singapore, but it's a bit delayed. It's like 30-40 minutes delayed, but it's okay. Now we're on our way. Hope to be home soon. I'm already missing Manila. Alright, I'm at Singapore now. I did end up having some dinner. I had some Popeyes, but now the flight was a bit delayed, but now I'm boarding. And I'll be back home soon, I guess. Hello everyone, I'm actually recording this part because the audio from my phone, which you'll see in a bit, was a bit cooked. It was when I was like showing my haul and unboxing like the jewels cases and the albums. But basically I was talking about, while I was unboxing, I was talking about what I saw from each member. So how about we go through that now before we get into showcasing the unboxing of my stuff that they gave from the benefits at the concert. So let's go with the high touch. Oh, when I walked up, first one was Daisuke. Oh my gosh, Daisuke is so cute in person, and I don't know if he heard it, but I did tell him "Anata wa metsa kakkoi," which is you're very cool, or like you're very cool today. So I wanted him to hear that, because I know like he doesn't just want to be cute, you know, he also wants to be cool. So hopefully he did hear that. And oh, his energy, he was like jumping up and down when he saw everyone. He's like and it was like so cute. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. I'm like, that guy is too cute, bro. That guy is too cute. And then next was Juwon. I actually sat in front of him for the group photo. So there's like about 20 people who go up, 10, I think like 9 or 10 seats here, and right in front where the members walk up behind you, and then more at the bottom, I was sitting in front of Juwon, and obviously I had to ask him for the signature, and he was like, Okay. So, I don't know if they'll release the photo, but if we do, maybe we'll see me and Juwon doing the little But he was very oh, I loved his smile. He was very happy, and I think he definitely felt like accomplished after doing that show, you know. So hopefully, bro, that guy's also, bro, they're also cute. And after that we had, I don't remember what the order was after, but I think Shiren or Wonki. But okay, let's just go down the line. Shiren. Unfortunately, the staff did kind of like rush everyone, so I didn't get. Obviously, not everyone got to say anything much to anyone. But I did want to tell Shiren that he's really good on stage. Something along the lines. 你吃到你的跳舞跟唱歌. Basically, he ate up your dancing and singing. Kind of play on words on his like 吃 part on his name. Then we have Winky, very bright. Oh my gosh, that guy, full of energy. That guy's insane. He looked really pretty. I wanted to tell him, what was the 어느 참가 너무 예뻤어. I think that's like very pretty, something like that. Like you look very pretty today. Then next we had. Who do we have next? Oh my gosh, I think it was. Oh my gosh, next was actually Steven and oh my gosh, this was the part where I like freaked out, and I don't know if people did see me freak out, but oh my gosh, I did not believe, like, obviously it was like in the moment and it was like very short, but Steven, I looked at Steven looked back at my eyes and his eyes were like boom, and he was like hype as hell. I was like, I don't know if he actually, it's because he recognized me, but then right after that, the second after that, while I was going like this to all down the line, JL, it was JL next, and JL was like, he was like, I love your videos. And that's what I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, huh? Did I hear that right? Oh my gosh. Oh, that makes me so happy. And I don't know. Oh, I think it's after the concert now and people do know JL's family is there. But I did actually take a photo with JL's family, which I wasn't too sure at the time who they were because they asked me for a photo, but apparently it was JL's family. I'm not too sure. It's not on my phone, but I hope they enjoyed the concert and seeing. If it was JL's family, I hope they did enjoy seeing their son succeed, because JL is amazing. And then Han, hella chill, but you know, as much as he is like very chill, I knew he was like proud as hell. Like his smile, you could tell he was so happy being there, being able to perform in front of everyone. And honestly, his duet, his vocals are crazy. I don't know, you guys heard it in the video before, right? That guy is too good. Especially in, oh my gosh, and in unfortunately my phone died. I couldn't record the We Ready, but he killed that. So happy. And then we have, oh my gosh, Jungwoo. Oh my gosh, I need to think about it for a second. Jungwoo, bro. Jungwoo was like a billion quadrillion times more handsome in person. Like, no joke, that guy, I can see why people were like praising his visuals in university. Now I know, because that guy is so, bro, what, that guy's so handsome. Oh my gosh. And I wanted to tell him, pretty similar to Wonki, where I said 예뻤어, but I wanted to say, I think it's Chomotso? I forgot. Whatever handsome is, I wanted to tell him he was so handsome. And then we had Schweibo. Oh my gosh, Schweibo looked really great too, and I wanted to tell him, Schweibo, 你真的是帅哥, which is basically, Schweibo, you are genuinely handsome. And bro, oh my gosh, bro, all the members just look so great. they look they actually like look way better in person. Oh my gosh, like they look good already, but like they look infinitely times better in person. But yeah, no, that was like my memorable moments, or what I wanted to say to each of the members. But thank you guys so much for holding the concert. You guys are amazing. You guys don't know how great you guys are and how happy you guys made all the fans. So thank you guys so much again. I love you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the little whole showcase. It'll be sped up quite a bit, but my whole showcase, and from all the freebies you guys gave me, and also the unboxing of my jewel case and the album. And I did want to say, like, I do have the album already, and I did have some duplicate photo cards, especially like, I think you guys will see it was like a Ju-won signed as well. So I don't know if anyone's interested, but I would not mind giving it away, especially for those who aren't able to get the album, or you know, I'm very happy if next time I go there, I'm just gonna give it away if anyone's interested. Anyways, enjoy the whole thing, guys. I hope you guys were okay watching this whole long ass video. Alright, I hope you guys were okay watching it, and you guys mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys hopefully in the next FanCon. I'll make sure to keep working hard to keep making you guys happy, to keep showing that love, and energy, positive energy back to you guys after what you guys showed me in Manila. Alright, so catch you guys next time, and enjoy the whole.
시작된 맘을 멈추긴 어려워. 내 곁을 스쳐 지날 때 미처 몰랐던 건 소중한 기억. 아마 영원할 memory. 그때의 기억, 저 하늘이 두 눈에 비친 아홉빛깔. 저 멀리서도 들을 수 있게 끝없이 외치며 달렸어. 찢는 마음이 아프대. 영영이 젖이기 전에 눈을 감고서 그려볼게. 따뜻해. 떠나지 마라. 딱 한 번만 날 안아줘. 그 자리에 굳어부서진 나를 돌리자. 다 그대로 와. 나 oh baby, I just say it's too late. Oh, 이처럼 만난 그곳에서 다시 만나기로 해. 혹시 남기를 잃는 단어 그게 날 불러줄래? Two worlds apart colliding. 그날의 네 모습 여전할까? 혹시는 변한 건 아닐까? 다른 누군가를 사랑하면 나를 잊고 지내는 건 아닐까? 시간이 지나면 괜찮을까? 아니 난 아닌 것 같으니까. 너 없는 난 정미 껍데기야. 내게 돌아와줘. 그때의 기억, 저 하늘이 두 눈에 비친 아홉빛깔. 저 멀리서도 느낄 수 있게 뚜렷이 날 부르고 있어. 넌 그 안에 진심이 뭔지 생각할수록 아픈데. 날 hold me back Lost in a dream and falling fast 어떤 날은 네가 부르고 있는 것만 같아 어떤 밤은 내가 널 부르고 있는지 몰라 다 feel the same We are who we are, who we are 꺼진 무대 차가운 공기 모든 게 낯서 날 한 걸음 다시 무대 위로 넘어지는 나를 봐 더 낯설고 멀게만 느껴진 세상 속에 좀 하나 흔들리는 내 맘을 안아줘 숨이 막혀 터질 듯한 이 가슴이 또 헤매이다 두렵지만 너 무대 나를 잡아주길 어제는 안녕 불안했던 밤을 건너서 전해지는 떨림만 나 말없이 끝낸 너의 손끝에 들려온 멜로디 Falling like starlight Twinkle twinkle little stars 아홉 개의 조각별이 됐던 밤